Oh, this railway's fallen to pieces. I know, Edward. What could possibly go wrong now? Luckily, progress is being made. Donald, you're not completely fixed, but I think we'll reunite you with your tender and do several final checks, a few tweaks here and there, and I'm sure you'll be ready to go soon. You, however, Neville, are going to need much more extensive repair. And Henry, well, you're not much better. Wayne, your cab is, well, rather damaged, and Wade, you'll be fixed in no time. Now, Edward, please shunt Donald away. Yes, sir. Thank goodness you're repaired, Byron. Yes, I know. Miss Jenny is very efficient in making sure we're all in good working order. Sorry about your arm, though. It's my fault. I can't believe I, of all machines, would do such a thing. We all make mistakes. Oh boy, it's good to be revving my engine again. Well, that's a bit insensitive, Diesel. Did you not hear us? No, I was too busy being surprising. Now, to shunt these trucks about. Slowing down! What? Oh, no! You silly steamy! You wrecked my trucks. Sorry, I miscalculated the time it would take to stop. Indeed, by a lot. Alright, Donald, here you are, and... Oh, Rebecca, are you alright? I'll be fine, maybe. Oh. Yeah, that's not very good, is it? No. No, it's not. Well, I suppose one engine for another, am I right? Diesel, you insensitive twat.